Is your PlayStation 5 staring back at you with a soul-crushing black screen, making you miss all the gaming action? Let's troubleshoot this frustrating issue and get you back in the game. First up, the basic checks start by ensuring all your cables are securely connected. This means the HDMI cable going from your PS5 to your TV or monitor, and the power cable plugged directly into a wall outlet, not a power strip, just in case. Next, check the HDMI cable directly. Ensure it's plugged into the correct HDMI port on your TV or monitor. Often, a TV has multiple ports and can get confusing. Make sure you've selected the correct HDMI input on your TV using your TV's remote control. Give the cable a gentle but firm push to ensure it's fully seated on both ends. If the connections look good, let's try a power cycle. This is a common fix. Completely power down your PS5, unplug the power cable from the console and leave it unplugged for a full 2 minutes. This allows any residual power to drain. Then, plug the power cable back in and turn on your PS5. Still seeing black? It's time to explore safe mode. To enter safe mode, completely shut down your PS5, then press and hold the power button until you hear a second beep. You'll need to connect a controller via the USB cable to navigate the safe mode menu. In safe mode, use your controller to navigate the menu. Start by trying to restart the PS5 from the safe mode menu. If that doesn't do the trick, try changing the resolution in safe mode. As a setting mismatch is common, select change resolution and try a different resolution setting. Hopefully, one of these steps has resolved your black screen and you're back to gaming. If the problem persists, you might need to contact PlayStation support for further assistance. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful PS5 tips.